Hello friends, today we discuss about the formula of prime number greater than 10. Actually prime number formula is a very interesting formula. Now the formula is 18n plus minus 1 comma 18n plus minus 5 and 18n plus minus 7. More than, actually here the outcome would be greater than 10, means that for that prime number we get through this formula which is greater than 10. Through this formula the chances of outcome of composite number is very less and the outcome of prime number is very high. Let's see where n equal to natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Let's start when n equal to 1. When n equal to 1 we get if we put n equal to 1 then 18 into 1 plus minus 1, 18 into n plus minus 5 and 18 into n plus minus 7. If we put n at here we get here 19, 17, 23, 13, 25 and 11. It is seen that only one number, which is 25, is not prime, but other 5 outcomes are prime. Hence, out of 6 outcomes, 5 are prime and 1 is composite. Clear? This is for 1 when n equal to 1. Now if we see the chart of prime number, the greater, actually it is for the prime number greater than 10. Therefore we see here greater than 10 prime number is 11 to 23. We get all 5s are here: 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. Clear? Now next when n equals to 2. Clear? When n equals to 2, here we get, putting here n equal to 2, we getting 37, 35, 41, 31, 43 and 29. Only 35 is not prime, but out of 6 there are 6 outcomes, 5 outcomes are prime. Here the list of prime number, if we match this then we get 29 here, 31, 37, 41 and 43. Means all these prime numbers are covered when n equals to 2. Now let's see when n equals to 3. When n equals to 3, the outcomes are 55, 53, 59, 61, 47. Only these 2 outcomes are composite number, but rest 4 are prime number. Means out of 6 we get 4 prime number. Now let's match the chart of prime number. We can see here 47 to 61. All prime number are covered when n equal to 3. Only few are composite. The number of composite is very less, but main at here is the chances of prime number through this is very high. Clear? Now next, when n equals to 4, when n equals to 4, we see here that 73, 71, 67, 79. Only 2, 77 and 65 are composite, but rest 4 are prime. Therefore, when n equals to 4, putting 4 at n, it is seen that also again we can see the prime number chart that through 67 to 79, 1, 2, 3, 4, 67, 71, 73 and 79 all are covered at here. Clear? And the very most important and interesting thing at here is that there is no escaping of a prime number through this formula. It covering all prime number that is greater than 10. Clear? Now next step, when n equals to 5. Clear? When we put n equals to 5, here 18 into 5 plus minus 5, there is a common 5. Therefore, for n equal to 5, it is not taken at here. Only 1 and 7 is taken. It is seen that there are only 4 outcomes. Clear? Out of 4, only 1 is composite, but rest 3 are prime. Clear? And if we see the chart, we getting 83, 97 and 89. All prime again are covered at here. And the composite, it is again seen that in this formula or in this process, the chances of outcome of composite number is very less, but the chances of prime number is very high. And again, if we take n equal to 6, then we getting if n equal to 6, then we again getting that 109, 107. When n equal to 6, put 6 at here. 109, 107, 113, 103, 115 and 101. Only 115 are composite, but out of 6 outcomes, 5 are prime. If we match with this chart, we get 101 is here, 103, 107, 109, 113, 107, 109, 113 means all 5 prime numbers are covered at here. Clear? Means when we taking n equal to 6, the chances of prime number is very high. Out of 6th outcome, 5s are prime and only 1 is composite. So it is very helpful to getting a prime number. And last one, if I take n equal to 7, again if we take n equal to 7, then there must be 7 plus minus 7 means there is a common factor 7 and 7. So we cancel this one, only taking plus minus 1 plus minus 5 when n equal to 7. We get 127, 131, 121, 125. These two are composite, but here 50% is a prime number. Means 127 and 131 is a prime number. Here the percentage is about 50% because out of 4 outcome, only 2's are prime. Next, when n equal to 8, we getting here the out of 6 outcomes, 4 are prime and only 2 are composite. Again, here out of 6 outcome, 4 are prime and out of 6 outcome and 2 is composite. Means it is seen that the previous one is 7 in 7. Okay, now let's see. When n equal to 1, we are getting 4 prime, means 149, 139, 151, 137. We are getting all 4 primes. It is seen that when we putting n equals to here, again come in the starting part, that formula for prime number greater than 10, or the chances, it may be also see can say that the chances of prime number through this formula is very very high. And when n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means n is a natural number. Clear? So for the higher number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it is also applicable. So viewer can check and can use this formula for getting prime. Thank you for seeing this video, and please like my video, comment. Thank you very much.